guys, my name is Swati Dlamini and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you're so very welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend that Swati has a channel. So welcome to day 5 of vlogging week or mini vlog week. So guys, I've been coming to you looking like a potato every single day. Izambani every single day. So I'm just like, no, let me respect my people. But that's like my most realistic work from home vibe. Like, gee, we're not sharing cameras, it's not a show, it's not a fashion show when we're working from home. So today I am gonna step out, so we're gonna make an effort. Sit down. As like a follow-up of yesterday's comment around like the dating scene and all of that, I remember something. So it's like a video that I saw, and this girl, they're in varsity, and you know the message or what came out, so the message that she was trying to share was that, you know, when people take care of you the way they take care of themselves, or they show care the way that they care for themselves. So her story was that she'd asked her roommate to help her get her clothes from the laundry place. She wasn't able to do it, so when she came back, her friend had folded her clothes, and you know, she was just like shocked. Like, you really didn't have to do that. You know, like, you really didn't have to do that. And like, she's like, oh no, I was folding mine, so I folded yours, because that's what she does for herself. And you know, another person would have been like, aibo ubalona, or not shown that much care. So for her it was just like, oh wow, like, I really did not expect her to do that. But it's actually so nice to actually see Uguti. She does that for herself, so doing it for somebody else isn't an issue. And I just think, Uguti, we do have to be careful of people in the world. Like, not everybody's kind, and not everybody is a giver. You know, you have people who are takers, and who would then take advantage of you, doing things like that, you know. And all of a sudden, every time they need to get their clothes, they're not available, so they have to, because they're going to benefit something. So you always have to be cautious with people. But I just think, you know, we also just need to stop operating from a place of hurt, and allow people to, and understand that there are people who are still nice in the world. There are people who still want to be kind to people without expecting anything in return, and not always just being the one who benefits. So yeah, that's like something that I wanted to add, but it's like, it was too late for me to add it. But yeah, that's just like something I remembered. Okay, so I'm almost done. I think today is just a bit colder than normal. Ugh. I'm not gonna do anything like hectic to my hair, because I'm not gonna say it, but you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, we're gonna do that this weekend, but we'll have to see, because life just threw stuff at me. So let me get ready, or finish getting ready. Don't even know what jacket I'm gonna wear. But happy Friday. Okay, so it's almost time for me to leave. I just had to change what I was wearing a couple of times. Yeah, like, not knowing what to do with my hair is stressing me out. It's stressing me out so much, because I just feel like hair pulls the outfit together. It really does, but there's nothing I can do, and it's such an awkward time of the year also to have my hair out. Anywho, let's show you guys what I'm wearing, and then I can go. So this is what I'm wearing. Simple, no stress. It's kulungile. Let's go. These sneakers look so big. When I read, like, they look so big. But to get a style, so team. Hoping there's no congestion on the road, because that would suck, because I have until 9 o'clock to get the car in. So I made lunch just in case I decide to stay. I did say to the lady that, you know, I'd rather stay and work, but now I'm just thinking like not network, but like internet. It's not safe to just connect to any internet with the work device, but let's just see. Arrived. Yeah, I think I'll just ask to work from here for like a couple of hours, and then I hope they wash my car. Please wash my car. I'm not gonna wash it because it's going for service, so I hope they'll do that as well. So let me get out. Good, how are you?
Your technician will be with you shortly.
Okay, I must wait here?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, how are you? Good. Fetched the car. Guys, I work in client experience now, and experience that you give a client, really great. It's really nice, really nice. So let's go home. I need to rest, I need to eat, I need to just rot. That's what I need to do. I need to rot. So let's see each other when I'm at home, and obviously there's just so much traffic on the road. But someone must dress better when they come to the dealership to service Nkoba. Guys, I'm so glad it's Friday. So it's the end of the day, and Sizo celebrate a hectic week with Ama Bubbles. Chile. I really want to rot, watch TV, and not think. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I was also just like, when I was picking up the car, like, guys, I remember trying to see if I could afford this car in and I think I've shared this before, but like in 2019, 2020 or 2021, I can't remember, but I remember trying to see and like, look where we are. Yeah, God has just been so great, and today was just like a reflection day. Wow. Like, you can see God's hand, or I can see God's hand in a lot of areas in my life, like everywhere in my life. So what my friend always says, everything is working for your good or bad. It is working for your good. So that's my message to you guys today. Let's catch up tomorrow. Tomorrow I don't think I'm not gonna go to Pilates. I want to sleep, I want to rest, also clean, possibly wash my hair. But yeah, let's see tomorrow. I'm gonna pop this, eat some food, and yeah, let's just forget. Let's forget for a day.